Hannah.
And I'm Jess.
And we're going to tackle about one of the problem encountered by an automotive technician.
It is about a technician's lacking of welding skills.
As an automotive technician, you must know how to weld because it's the basic requirement to fix a damage. As we all know, vehicles are made up of metals or alloy that are formed together.
Okay, first things first. What is welding? Welding is a process of connecting of metal to other metal using electricity and welding equipments. So it is widely used in the field of construction and automotive industry.
So let's go back to the problem.
Okay, let's go to the working place. Okay, I'm gonna introduce to you the two technicians. First, on my right, his name is Christian, and he's a technician with the welding skills. On the other hand, his name is Jerome. Apparently, he's a technician without welding skills. So I'm gonna act a boss. Whom do you think I'm gonna choose to get this job? Of course, the one who know how to weld. Because in these industries, it is very important to know to have those skills, and it is a big advantage. So in the end, technicians without welding skills didn't get the job. You must know first how to weld.
Jerome didn't get the job because he doesn't know how to weld. But I and Christian are gonna help him how to weld. So next time he'll get hired.
First, we must prepare the safety tools or personal protective equipment or PPE. This is the handheld shield with filter lens used to protect our eyes from UV light came from welding iron, which may cause eye damage. This is the hand gloves used to protect our hands, and safe shoes for our feet.
So now, we're done with the PPE or the personal protective equipment. Now let's go to the welding equipment. Come on! So what I got here is a power supply. It's the main source of electricity. And as you can see, there are two wires here. The one with the clip is used as a ground. You plug it in, then this is the work. The other one is used as electric boot. Again, plug it again. Here we got an electrode, which is electrical conductor. Just clip it in. Last but not the least, the metal piece. Then now you can go.
Lastly, you must remember the key points to have a good weld. Correct current, correct travel speed, and correct arc length. So now let's proceed to welding.
Well done, Jerome. Now tell me, what is the importance of having welding skills, especially for you being an automotive technician?
Well, welding is an important component being a automotive technician, for it increases the employment rate and advantages to take a job in automotive industry. As what it is said, welding is a precise, reliable, cost-effective, and high-tech method in repairing or joining a materials. As an automotive technician can therefore say, if you don't know how to weld, you'll excel. And if you don't, you'll fail.
Boy.
Thanks for watching!
Oh God. What time is it, 2 a.m.? Let's go.
Two cop cars, man, I'm in trouble. Or maybe it's just one. I swear I'm seeing double. I swear I'm seeing stars. Are we on a shuttle?
Well, because the basic component to fix the damage. As we all know, Vehicles are made up of metals. Lately, Jerome didn't get a job, so hey, got yun.
By manufacturers to join metals and alloys efficiently than this. I, as an automotive technician, can therefore say, if you do know how to weld,
Counseled by automotive technician.
Ako na ba? Okay.
So, okay. Jess, ako talaga.
With filter lens. Used to protect our eyes from ultraviolet light. Wait. The hand gloves used to protect our hands from heat. Came from welding.